Good morning, everyone. This is Balaji Tripathi, currently working in MLVTEC Bhilwara as an assistant professor in electronics department. Welcome to Digital Electronic Playlist. So, in the last session, we have discussed about how to convert BCD code to Access3 code. Now, in this session, I am going to discuss how to convert binary code to Access3 code. Binary to Access3 code. So, this is also as simple like the previous one. Let's suppose I am taking an example. My example is, let's suppose I'm taking a binary code of 11101 and I need to convert this binary code to Access3 code. So first of all I need to convert this binary code into decimal number. First of all I need to convert this binary code into decimal number. So for converting the binary code to decimal number, I need to use the method double plus add method. So how this will work? Double plus add method will work. So I'm moving from here. So double plus add. So 1 I'll write here 1. So after one cut double, after taking one double, it will be 1 2 plus 1 3. So 3 double 6 6 plus 1 7 7 double 14 14 plus 0 14 14 double 28 28 plus 1 29. So after doing doubling method, what I'm getting here is 29. So I'll write here 2 separate and 9 separate. Then I will add plus 3 in this 2 and plus 3 in this 9. After adding, what I'll get here 5 and 12. This will be 5, this will be 12. So I need to write the 4-bit binary of this 5 and 4-bit binary of this 12. So what will be the 4-bit binary of 5? 0 1 0 1, and 4-bit binary of 12 will be 1 1 0 0. You can use 8421 method. From there you can write this. So 4-bit binary of 5 will be 0 1 0 1, 4-bit binary of 12 will be 1 1 0 0. So I'll make it together. What will be there? 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. So this will be the conversion of binary to Access3. now second part. Moving on second part. Now let's suppose I need to convert Access3 to binary. So in this part I need to convert Access3 code to binary. So now let's suppose I have taken an Access3 code 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. This is an Access3 code and I need to convert it into binary. So first of all I will make separate of 4 pair from right side. So I'll write here 0 1 0 1, and for that I'll write here 1 1 0 0. So I'll write the binary digit of this 4 code. The binary digit of this 4 code will be 5. The binary digit of this 4 code will be 12. So after writing the binary digit of this 4 code, I need to subtract -3 from here and -3 from here. So 5 minus 3 will be 2, 12 minus 3 will be 9. So what it will be? That 229. So what I've got 29 in the decimal form, and I need to convert this 29 to the binary, because as we know the heading is Access3 to binary. So we know how to convert the access from decimal to binary. So I have taken here 29. So I'll divide it by 2, and here I will write quotient, and here I will write remainder. So 14 to the 28, and remainder will be 1. So now 7, remainder will be 0. Now 2 3, remainder will be 1. Now 2 1, remainder will be 1. So from this side we will write the binary number of this code. So binary number will be 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 2. So this is the method how to convert the Access3 to binary code. I'll repeat it one more time. Suppose I have to convert binary to Access3. So for that I have taken a number 1101 and binary digit number I need to convert into Access3. So I will first of all I will convert it into decimal number using the formula double and add. I will double all this number and I will add the respective number. After converting this into decimal number, what I've got is 29. So I will separate the 29 and I will add plus 3 to the 2 side and plus 3 to the 9 side. Then I will get 5 here and 12 here. So I will write the respective binary digit of 5 and respective binary digit of 12, and I will write it together. Then I will get the access3 code. Now in the second form, what I need to do is I need to convert the access3 to binary. So let's suppose I have taken a problem of access3 code and I need to convert into binary. So for that I need to make a pair of 4, and after making pair of 4 I need to subtract -3 here and -3 here. After getting I have got 29 here. After getting the digit of 29, I just need to convert the decimal form to binary form, as we know how to convert the decimal form to binary form. So for that I need to divide it by 2, and from downside I need to write the remainder here. So I have written the remainder here 11101 to the power 2. Thank you.